Hey there, friends. We're looking at section 3.6 and how to graph inequalities. So your calculator, if you go to y equals, only has the equal sign available. But if you go to the apps button and scroll down to number 7 where it says inequals, you have it has a function that allows you to do inequalities. So you're going to hit enter, press any key. And now when I go over the equal sign, if I use the arrow key to highlight this whole area that's boxed in and then hit enter, I can change the color, and you could always do that before, but what you couldn't do is change the equal sign. So we're going to use our arrow key to go from less than, which is what the problem in example 3 in section 3.6 is asking for. So we're just going to hit enter, or we're going to scroll down to click OK. And now your graph is showing that it's less than. And then the other one wants to show greater than or equal to. So if you want to pause the video and go ahead and give that a go, I would recommend it. Okay, so to make this greater than or equal to, I'm going to go again. So you're going to use your arrow key to go over there, hit enter, and then use your arrow key to go down, and then your right left arrow key to go to greater than or equal to. And then you're going to click OK. All right. So, and you've already typed in the equation. So now I have the less than negative x squared plus 3 on top and greater than or equal to. So just like in the, actually, I think our colors are flip-flopped. The y1 here is going to end up being blue. Okay, so let's go to, and remember, you always want to have your plots off so you don't get an error. So all of mine are off, otherwise you'd hit 4. And I want to make sure my window is the standard 10 by 10. And remember, you can always do that by zoom standard. So if you hit zoom standard, that'll give you the 10 by 10 grid. So when I go to graph it, there's my first graph, and there's my second graph. So anything in this shaded area here is going to be a solution for both of those equations. Remember, when we didn't have an inequality, it was the intersection where they touched. So it would have just been those 2 points. But since they are inequalities, it's anything that overlaps. So these two overlap. So that would be your solution. All right, happy graphing, everybody.